By now, you have heard about the great news that the feds have cut the rates yesterday and that mortgage rates came down today. So, what I am seeing and hearing is that more buyers are getting off the fence, which means more competition for you buyers who are out there also waiting. So, while we won't see the 3% interest rates, I hate to tell many of you that by now you probably already know. But this is the best case scenario in the low sixes. So what does this mean for you? You have to be ready, willing, and able. Getting that pre-approval if you're financing. Getting that proof of funds if you are paying cash. Knowing the location or the areas that you have an interest in. Knowing your savings and making sure that you have ample savings, and connecting with the right realtor who can help you with all of the changes that have happened in the real estate practices today. And here's the other thing that you want to keep in mind, that you have the options to still do the rate buy downs. So that means your rate could be looking at somewhere around in the 5% range or even 4% range in some cases. But you won't know until you get off that couch, start making those calls, and getting out and seeing those properties. But key information here, key takeaway, is that you got to start somewhere. Don't count yourself out. Don't second guess yourself. Reach out to a professional who can help you navigate this journey so you can get into that house that you have had your eye on for a while. Keeping in mind that rates at this particular interest rate, these low sixes, may not last long, but I promise you that house will not be there.